Luis, what is an environmental change? Environmental change.
Environmental
Change is,
change.
do you know? So if something become different in our surroundings, what is that? You don't know. Adis, why do living things need on living? Okay, Adis, why do living things need non-living things to survive? Do you know about living things? What is example of living things?
Living environment.
What? Living
Food.
things?
Food.
No, not only food.
Human, animals, and plants.
Okay, so why three of these living things need non-living things?
Non-living things. Food, water, and air.
Because
Because
living things
living things
need
need water, food, and air.
next. What are the living things on our environment? The example. Adeline already thought about three living things, right? So what is non-living things?
Oh,
Oh, no. Say the example of living things.
Humans,
And then
animals, and
one more. Luis. Next, Hiroshi. It is plants, okay? Hiroshi. If a wooden bench, if a wooden bench in our schoolyard for many years without being cared, what will happen to the branch? Do you know? If we see like this wooden branch and we make it in the outside of this building for many years, what will happen to the wooden branch? The wooden branch will? What will happen? Next, Harold. What are things that have never been alive? What are things that have never been alive? For example, this is the example of living, non-living things. Give me the example.
buildings.
And then, okay, the example of say.
The example of
Things that
things that
never been alive
never been alive
are,
are buildings,
and then
roads,
and
building
roads. One more.
and
Vehicles. Okay? Vehicles. Sebutkan ciri fisik yang tampak pada wajah.
bentuk mata.
Ciri fisik yang tampak, begitulah Heron. Masa terus-terusan diajarin?
Fisik
Yang tampak
pada tubuh adalah bentuk mata,
lalu apalagi?
bentuk hidung,
Selain itu,
bentuk mulut,
next Hiroshi. Sebutkan 3 contoh kegemaran di bidang seni. Sebutkan 3 contoh kegemaran di bidang seni.
sebutkan 3 contoh.
Contoh kegemaran, coba. Contoh kegemaran
Contoh kegemaran
di bidang
di
seni
bidang seni
adalah
menggambar,
lalu apa lagi?
melukis.
Lalu
Satu lagi,
Satu lagi.
Dan bernyanyi.
Next. Fiona. Apa yang dimaksud dengan kegemaran?
Kegemaran adalah kegemaran
Kegiatan
kegiatan yang yang harus dilakukan
yang
sangat diidolai,
sangat disukai.
sangat disukai.
Next. Adis. Apa saja 3 contoh kegemaran di bidang olahraga?
Berenang, bermain. Contohnya berenang, bermain tenis, dan bermain sepak bola.
Luis. Apa saja 3 contoh sifat seseorang?
3 contoh sifat seseorang adalah ramah, teliti, dan
Apa tadi?
ramah, teliti, dan
Ramah, teliti, satu lagi santun.
santun.
Why is it important to give clear instruction in computer? Hiroshi, do you know about computer? Why is it important to give? You know. Why do you give it to him? It's your turn. Why is it important to give clear instruction? We give
clear instruction
for to get what? If
to get the correct
result. Say result.
Sure.
Adeline, what can we do if something is hard to do all together? What can we do if something is hard to do all together? Based on book page 95. Do you know this? We have a heart to do. And then we have a team. So what should we do in this team to do all together?
I know.
What happened? Yaron.
I don't know.
What's the answer? Do you know? You don't know. Okay. We should breaking the small step. Right? Okay, next. Based on page 95. Okay, which set gives clear step-by-step instruction?
We
Set what? We give
one over
set how much?
2.
To what?
2 by 2.
No, it is to give.
To
Set to give
Set to give
clear.
clear
Clear what? Instruction.
instruction.
Next, Hiroshi. Why is important for instructions to be precise? To be precise.
Set to
It is important because
important because set to is clear and important.
that's the answer for Fiona. Okay, next. Yaron. Based on lesson 6.2, what is the first step in set 2?
Get the blocks.
Okay, set 2 is
Set to is
collect. Your
collect
answer.
the blocks.
Matematika. Bilangan yang terbesar antara. Oke, jawab. Bilangan yang terbesar antara 69 Tulis 69, 75, 83. Yang terbesar diantaranya yang mana? Let me see. ...83 Fiona, bukan 803. Perbaiki itu. 75 bukan 705. Okay, next. Math. If today is 23rd April 2026, what is the date for next week?
Next week is
If today is 23rd April 2026, so what is the date for one next week? Yes. Okay, if today is 23rd April, so what is the date for next week? Count, please. It is not incorrect. Next week, not next day. Today is 23rd. Go to class, Hiroshi. Let me see. Hiroshi, Luis. Not next day, but next week. So you count 7 days later. Okay. If you don't know, the answer is 24th, 23rd, 24th, 25th, 26th, 27th, 28th, 29, and then 30. 1 week later is 7 days, right? That's the answer, okay? Okay, we start from science first. What is an environmental change, Ezra?
what?
What is an environmental change?
And change is change.
Environmental change.
Environmental change is some place changes be a different place.
Surround us. Okay? Maura, why do living things need non-living things to survive?
Because so
Living things
living things
needs what from non-living things?
need to
Like sun. What do we get from sun? We are living things, right?
need light, water, and soil.
Finn, what are the living things in our environment?
Living thing in our environment is chair. Chair?
Chair?
I don't know. Environment, right?
Yes.
You.
You're living things, right? What?
Yeah.
So?
We are.
Yes. We are what?
Human.
Human. And then?
Animal.
One more?
Can grow.
What?
Bites.
Living things.
That can grow.
Yes.
Plant.
Okay. Xavier, if a wooden bench, if we left the wooden bench in front of this school without being cared, what will happen to the bench? If the wooden bench is left in schoolyard for many years. What will happen to the wooden bench?
The
What happened
wooden
with you?
bench will be older
Yes, older and grow.
and broken.
You know, what are the things that have never been alive?
Oh, I see.
What are things that have never been alive?
House,
Okay, another one.
chair,
Okay.
bottle.
Okay, the example of things say
The example of thing that not
never.
never life is house, bottle, and chair.
Your name Hiroshi.
You know.
You know, okay, you know.
Hiroshi.
Next question, you know. Sebutkan ciri fisik yang tampak pada wajah.
Nampak pada wajah,
Ya,
warna kulit,
selain itu bagus lah jawabnya. Ciri fisik yang tampak
Ciri fisik
begitulah.
yang tampak pada wajah adalah mata,
Xavier.
hidung, dan mulut.
Xavier,
Dan
stand up properly, all of students.
bentuk.
Okay, it's enough. Next, Xavier. Why do living things need? Okay, Xavier. Maura. Sebutkan 3 contoh kegemaran dalam bidang seni.
Bidang seni. Contoh ciri fisik. Contoh kegemaran di bidang seni adalah menggambar,
What
menyanyi,
happened?
menggambar.
Wait. What happened with you? Change position, change position. Ezra. No, you're there. You think it's funny? I recorded. Your parents will see that. I will report to your parents, okay? I have recorded now. Pardon your answer. Repeat your answer, Javier.
Contoh kegemaran di bidang seni adalah menggambar, mewarnai, dan menyanyi.
Next. Apa yang dimaksud dengan kegemaran?
Yang dimaksud dengan kegemaran adalah suatu yang kita sering lakukan.
Next. Ezra. Apa saja contoh kegemaran di bidang olahraga? Contoh.
Contoh olahraga di bidang olahraga. Contoh kegemaran di bidang olahraga adalah berenang, berlari, dan bermain bola.
Maura. Apa saja 3 contoh sifat seseorang?
3 contoh sifat seseorang adalah baik, jahat, dan sopan.
Why is it important to give clear instruction?
Hah?
Why is it important to give clear instruction?
So we can open the application correctly.
Next. What can we do if something is hard to do altogether?
We
Can break
something
to
we can break something to
smaller
smaller pieces.
pieces also. Next. Based on page 25, which set give clear step-by-step instruction?
Set 2.
Okay, answer good nah. Set 2 gives
Set 2 give clear instructions.
next. Based on okay, why is it important for instruction to be precise? Precise. Why is it important for instruction to be precise? Presisi. Yes, precise. You know? Next. Based on lesson 6.2. What is the first step in set 2?
Collect the block.
Okay, set 2 is say
Step 2 is
collect
collect the block.
matematika. Bilangan yang terbesar antara 69, 75, dan 83 adalah
69, 75, dan 93.
83,
69, 7.
75, dan 83.
Bilangan terbesar.
Oke.
Bilangan terbesar.
Iya, you know.
83, 69,
Dan 83. Let me see. Next. Math. Salah satu lah pilih. Yang terbesar. Oke. Next. If today is 23rd April, yes. If today is 23rd April, what is the date for next week? For next week. Today is 23rd. Yes, 23rd. Next week, not next day. Go to class, Ezra. Okay, go to class, Nora.
20.
Yes, if today is 20, so what is the date for next week? Not next day, but next week.
I don't know.
So you count, how do you count it? Let me see. Go to class, Vin. True.
24.
You should count. How many days for 1 week later?
23 months.
7 days, right? Okay, write down your answer. 7 days. No, the last that you say. Yes, go to class. What is 7 day after 23rd?
7 days after training.
23rd.
30.
Yes.